Let's see how you can create your own agent using Arkus. After logging, simply confirm the initial step and continue to the agent builder. Switch to the view mode. You can also hide the chat bar so you have more space in your screen. Start by adding the agent component. Then add the chat input and connect it to the agent. Next, add the chat output and also connect to the agent. Once this is done, your basic flow is ready, and you can test your agent. Ask something like, "What can you do for me?" The response will be very basic since we haven't defined the agent instructions yet, but this confirms that the agent is working. In this example, we will create an intake agent for message clinic, and we will define now the agent instructions clicking here. This area is where you describe exactly what the agent should do. In this case, we've already prepared the instructions, so I will just copy and paste them here. They define how the agent behave. So asks a series of questions, collects the patient's answers, confirms the information, prepares a summary. I can define the content of this summary, and also it sends an email. You can also define the tone of voice. After this, you can test your agent again, but as we mentioned that the agent should create a Google Docs and also send an email, we will configure those tools before testing. First, we will add the Google Doc. It's under the documentation topic, so you can drag the Google Docs into the Canva and then turn the tool mode on. After this, you can connect the node to the agent in the tool section, and then the agent will be powered by Google Docs. Now we will do the same for the Gmail. It's under email and communication. You need to enable the tool mode as well, and then connect the component to the agent, and then the agent have access to both Google Docs and Gmail. Let's test the agent again, and now when you ask what can you do for me, it will answer accordingly to the agent instructions, and it also will guide the user if the user wants to start the intake process. If I say yes, the agent will ask the 4 questions that we configured before, and once it's done, it will generate the report and send by email as we configure. So you can test the whole workflow here and then adjust if you want any different result or behavior. This is the document created. You can also improve it by modifying the agent instructions. And that's it. You've built a complete intake workflow using Arkus, and your agent is ready to use. You can run it directly in the Arkus platform or integrate it with external platforms using the Integrate button. From health ideas to AI agents in minutes, not months. Start today to build your AI with Arkus.